Hi, Be the Calculator here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to estimate calculations. This is a really useful thing to know for GCSE because they grab easy marks, but also life in general too. Before we begin, this bent equal sign just means approximately equal to. We'll be using it to show our estimation. It's the exam, and this is your question. Estimate 63.75 multiplied by 41.39. What do we do? Take a random guess? It turns out there's a systematic approach to this. After all, it's maths. All you need to do is round all the numbers to one significant figure. If you're not sure how to do this, check out our video on how to do exactly that by clicking the top link in the description or the pop-up banner above. With these questions, it's best to show your working clearly, so both you and the examiner know what you're doing. Once you've drawn your squiggly equal sign, you can round every number in the calculation to one sig fig. 63.75 rounds to 60 and 41.39 rounds to 40. 60 times 40 is now a much easier calculation, which we can do in our head, to get the estimated answer of 2,400. Here's another question. 5.17 multiplied by 5.97, all divided by 2.31 plus 3.72. All we need to do is round every number to one sig fig. 5.17 rounds to 5, 5.97 rounds to 6, 2.31 rounds to 2, and 3.72 rounds to 4. 5 times 6 is 30, and divide this by 2 plus 4, which is 6. Remember, when you're just simplifying a calculation and not doing any rounding, you can go back to using a normal equal sign. 30 divided by 6 is 5, which is the estimated answer. Let's take a look at a final example. Estimate the area of a triangle with a base length of 5.21 centimeters and a height of 3.99 centimeters. This is a compound question, which is trying to push you to apply two pieces of knowledge at once: the area of a triangle and estimating. Lucky for you, you can breeze through this question as you know both. If you don't know how to calculate the area of a triangle yet, take a look at our video on that, which is linked in the description and the pop-out banner above. To work out the area of a triangle, you need to multiply the base by the height and divide it by 2. Now that we've formed our calculation, we need to round everything to one sig fig. 5.21 rounds to 5, 3.99 rounds to 4, and 2 is already one sig fig. 5 times 4 is 20, and divide this by 2 to get the answer of 10 centimeters squared. Practice questions. Estimate the value of the calculations below, carefully showing all of your working. Here's your 30 seconds, starting now. Answers. Question 1. Estimate 68.97 multiplied by 52.63. First, round both numbers to one significant figure. 70 times 50 is 3,500. Simple. Question 2. Estimate 9.7 plus 8.12, all divided by 1.99. Again, round every number to one significant figure. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 divided by 2 gives us the answer of 9. Question 3. Estimate 5.89 multiplied by 3.44, all divided by 3.24 squared. Once again, round every number to one significant figure. 6 times 3 is 18, and 3 squared is 9. 18 divided by 9 gives us the answer of 2. Before we jump off this video and onto another one of our videos, we'll be posting a shorts video on Thursday, which will explain how to estimate square roots in less than 1 minute. See you then. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beat the Calculator. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.